To enhance your gaming experience in GTA 5, adjusting the graphics settings can make a significant difference. Follow these steps to enable and optimize the graphics settings for better performance and visuals. Step 1. Launch the game. Start by opening GTA 5 on your gaming platform. Ensure that your system meets the minimum requirements for optimal graphics performance. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once the game has loaded, navigate to the main menu. From there, select settings to access various game options, including graphics settings. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, look for the graphics tab. Click on it to view the available graphics options that you can adjust to improve visual quality. Step 4. Adjust graphics option. Here, you can modify various settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Experiment with these options to find a balance between visual fidelity and performance based on your system's capabilities. Step 5. Save and apply changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save and apply the changes before exiting the settings menu. This will enable the new graphics settings for your gameplay. By following these steps, you can successfully enable and optimize the graphics settings in GTA 5, enhancing your overall gaming experience. Enjoy your time in Los Santos.